money owed to his girlfriend, $30,000, and she's never getting that back. This is abuse, financial abuse. You are emotionally and financially abusing her. You're a disgusting person. Now we're gonna call the girlfriend in the post show and we're gonna tell her exactly what has happened. That is 100% the reality of you're with her for the money. And
No.
Why else?
We have pets together, bro.
If you're ready to, so that's it. So it's the pets and the money. Yeah, this $30,000, I feel horrible for you. And she keeps asking for it, I'm being told. And you just lie about your spending to her instead.
It's not that bad. I'm gonna pay her back.
And you took the money from a deal with a company to go gambling instead of paying her back because you're just a pathetic, horrible person. His team's his girlfriend, by the way. That's the note that I have. Your girlfriend funds your life because you're a pathetic cuck.
Okay, maybe she funds it because she believes in me and knows I'm gonna be something one day.
So she believes in you. So she helps pay the bills. You guys live together?
Yeah, we do. Yep.
How long have you guys been together?
3 years. Wow.
So when you were in jail, she
stayed, yeah.
What the is wrong with this? What is her job? I need to call her.
She's basically like
she's not here, is she? Oh, damn.
I don't know what it's called, but basically she's like works with old people. Like she has to like wipe their ass. Like she drives a bus sometimes.
So she's not making that much money most likely, and she has to fund your entire life. What do you do for him, and how much does he pay you?
Basically, I get this kid to and fro. To and fro wherever we go, you know?
Oh, okay.
So whatever he needs done, I get him there. He obviously can't drive himself, so somebody's got to do it. Mm-hmm. You know?
He does a lot for me, bro. He's a hard worker.
Shut the up. Okay. And what do you get in return?
I get to be, involved. I get to do my own thing, and he pays me.
How much?
You know how many people would love to be involved?
Okay.
It's not just about money. I don't do everything for money.
Let's talk about the money. How much do you get paid and how frequently?
I don't think I've received any money, actually.
And you lied to me. You said you give him money.
I've given you money, bro. You're here right now. How did you get here?
That's not money. You brought
I paid for myself.
Oh, you did actually. You did. Real shit. You did. You did.
Honestly, like what? Well, what do you mean? You pay me? Like what? You didn't pay for anything. You put us in a Super 8? Real nice.
Hey, you don't have to shout that out, bro.
Real nice.
Right. We've been trying to make it look better than that, dude.
Hey, listen, man. I'm still waiting on that money you owe me, dude. Like
how much money?
Like 10K.
Oh, for probably
not at this point. Just like over time. It's been like 6 years. Never pay me. Oh, I'll pay you for gas. I got you next time. Oh, dude. I don't got any money. Oh, I need a drink today. Like, it's been a long time. But
And I told you, and what do I tell you every single time? You're gonna get that.
Yeah, you say you're gonna pay me back, but you have yet to do that.
How? You don't have a job.
What
you
money?
When
I make it,
you make a little money now, which is the only reason I'm willing to allow this conversation to continue, is because you do make money through your little brand thing. That is true. Money came in. I will accept it. But even still, okay, you made 5. Why can't he get 500?
Because it's expensive to film content.
I would love $500.
It goes into content. It goes right back into it.
Is he not a part of that content? When I say I'm invested in
he's in almost every video.
It's these people. These people are also a part of me investing.
In the videos with you?
Yes.
Sometimes, right?
And what do you do?
I work for like a communications company.
Please get him a job.
I tried to get him a job. What did you do?
No, I quit.
Yeah, in like 2 days.
Yeah, 2 days. I quit. Wasn't for me. I almost fought a dude there. Like I was about to knock him out. So I just quit.
I'm gonna fight you if you don't pay me 10K, dude.
That's fair. But yes, those people are on camera with me. Mark is sometimes on camera. So to answer that question, yes. Okay, we'll continue this in the post show. A part of the
I don't want him in the post show. I'm gonna be real. He's not a good guy.
Don't give a shit what you want.
I don't think you get to choose. Yeah.
Okay, well, you gotta just talk about how I owe you all this money.
Well,
so that's why
I wouldn't.
I want to figure out your financial situation because we got to start paying it back. But I guess that's the first debt. 10,000 hours goes to. What should I call you? Fake name.
Chris.
Chris. Okay, so Chris, $10,000. Very good. And I agree with that. You got to start paying him back. Here's the actual thing that is kind of crazy. She didn't. Do you know why she didn't want to come? Did she tell you? She told Colton. Yeah. Why?
She did tell him. My theory was that she didn't want, it's the internet, bro. The internet's mean. There's a lot of viewers,
That's not what she told Colton.
What did she tell Colton?
She said, and we're not going to, I'm never going to tell you who this person is that's sitting across from me. And he doesn't even have that many followers anyway, so it doesn't matter. But either way, she's afraid that the show is going to make him more popular. And if he becomes famous enough, she'll leave him. She's actually afraid of that. I understand why she is giving you all her money now. I understand why she is terrified of you cheating and doing anything and hanging out with attractive strippers and getting famous and leaving her. Yes, I understand. She's a personal ATM to you. That's it.
No.
That's it. And then
I pay her sometimes too. Are you looking for like evidence here? What?
Yeah, found some.
No.
Who's?
Don't know. No. Okay. Don't know. I don't know.
Of which he messaged her. Yeah, that's my favorite part.
What?
He messaged her yesterday. Yo, you trying to link when I'm around?
I did not say that. That is not me. Like I said, so I got my boy.
He said that's him. She said, maybe. He said, what do you mean by maybe? Because, like, I don't know, when you're around. Said, flying back the 24th, I'll be in Manch for a little, and then I'm going to Miami. Oh, well, there she is, chat. I think we see what is happening here. Her girlfriend's afraid of you cheating. I wonder why. We're going to call the girlfriend in the post show, and we're going to tell her exactly what has happened. That is 100% the reality of what's going to happen. If you're willing to do FaceTime with me, I'll screen share, and I will show you that he is on Tinder.
No.
He is stupid because I pay for every thing in his life. I have everything he owns in my house right now. So when he gets back, I guess it's all going to be gone.
And this whole thing's a joke, to be honest with you.
This whole thing's a joke. You have done this shit before.
We were told in the pitch that she would not come. We could not call her.
He told us.
I could have came. I would have paid my own shit and everything. I could have came, but he didn't want me there because he wanted to other bitches.
He's a piece of shit. He was in jail.
Okay.
He's stealing your money. You're a piggy bank to him. He will leave you. He is officially cheating on you.
Can I do this too?
100%.
Can I have my little
Can you
time?
mute his mic, please? Thank you. Mute his mic. Take it. This guy is bad. You're muted, so it doesn't matter. He doesn't listen to you. So the thing is, you have the upper hand. Leave this man. I know he's handsome and it feels like he can't get anyone else. You can. He is a bad person. He's an actual bad person. He uses people around him for money.
I'm a great person. I don't cheat. I don't do anything bad. Everything's fine. Like, I think you're a great person. Like, why you just sitting there talking to my girl for 10 minutes, bro?
You were telling them that you're planning on breaking up with her anyway.
Yeah, that's cut. I'm gonna be real. That's cut. I'm gonna be so honest.
Well,
I gotta keep the peace, bro. I gotta keep the peace for while I can. Peace is probably gone after this, but it's okay.
So, but the thing is, can we be real?
Yeah.
You're with her for the money. And
No.
Why else?
We have pets together, bro.
If you're ready to, so that's it. So it's the pets and the money.
Yes, I got 4 pets.
Because you're
4.
already f***ing other bitches.
No.
No one has that Tinder or those messages without.
Damn, really, dude. I got no. I don't got that. Look at me. Who would want this covered in?
Yeah, I think you're just, if you've already made up your mind, you're just choosing to stay for the rent.
No, not
Which is
even.
really sad that you're taking advantage of someone.
I could go somewhere else if I want to go somewhere else. I don't.
But the way that you're already done, you're already choosing that, and you're f***ing other people and talking to other people. This is really sad.
It's not. You're making it sound worse than it really is.
Am I? I want to stick up for her, man. It's not fair. It's not fair. $800 for the medical bills. You could pay it off with your $5,000 that comes in, especially if she's taking care of all the bills anyway, man. This is pathetic what you are doing to an other person that has real feelings. Real feelings. Real life.
I feel like you're making it a lot worse than it really is.
Am I? Make it sound better.
I'm young. I'm a young kid. I'm not doing anything
Okay,
bad.
you're 24. You're not a kid. You're a young adult-ish.
Yeah, and I'm just living my life, having fun. Like,
exactly, but you are using her feelings for that.
no, definitely not.
You can have fun or you can be with her. Choose. That's wonderful. Okay, well, you owe 30 days, 15 days, twice a month, 60 days.
I'm gonna be real. I owe Klarna money. I owe that money. I owe a lot of money. I just.
Well, why? What's your plan here?
And
What's the
then-
game plan, though? What's your overall plan? What are we trying to do here?
I'm gonna get it to the point where I'm making. If I make like double what I'm making now, I could live comfortably. I'll be fine.
Maybe, but I feel like you'll just lifestyle inflate yourself up to that anyway.
Yeah, I'm already living like a little inflated than I should be. I feel like.
Which is why you're forcing her to stay with you. Pathetically.
Everyone
Yeah, this
left.
$30,000, I feel horrible for you. And she keeps asking for it, I'm being told. And you just lie about your spending to her instead.
It's not that bad. I'm gonna pay her back.
And you took the money from a deal with a weed company to go gambling instead of paying her back because you're just a pathetic, horrible person. You spend more on bullshit going out to eat than like almost anyone that even comes on the show.
Yeah,
and
I
then
don't
you
like to
won't
cook.
pay her back. Then you won't pay her. I don't care if you like to cook. You should pay her back. It's all bullshit. You spend miscellaneous bullshit like almost $750 going out to eat $600. Just bullshit.
It's not that bad.
It's all bad when you owe your girlfriend money. This is more pages and pages of bullshit. You're a really bad person.
I'm really not that bad, bro.
You're a really disgusting, horrible person, and I'm not gonna waste my time by giving you a budget and shit like that. I'm not gonna waste their time. You're just a disgusting
here and I'm
individual.
not gonna get a budget.
Correct, because what is there to even budget? You blow it all on bullshit. You don't have a consistent
Give me like a
income
summary
anyway.
of a budget.
Okay,
budget.
summary. Pay your girlfriend back. Let her loose and let her live her life. You're a disgusting, horrible individual.
With 30K though, like
Yes, but she gave it to you, and you're a pathetic worm.
years, and I am expected to pay back.
Okay, I'm
all
gonna
at
call
once.
her in the post show.